Before starting or initiating the project, there is a business study made if to go or not to go. This stage is in the pre-initiation phase. It focuses on identifying the reasons for the project both on project level and at partner level. Further, focus is on setting the frames for the project. Some required to do on this stage are needs assessment, project charter, business case, and benefits management plan. A needs assessment can be defined as a systematic process projects managers will use to evaluate requirements that are considered non-negotiable to a project. These are specific requirements that can include a set of particular skills, knowledge, software, tools, and more. A project charter is a formal, typically short document that describes your project in its entirety, including what the objectives are, how it will be carried out, and who the stakeholders are. It is a crucial ingredient in planning the project because it is used throughout the project lifecycle with high detailed level of information. This is primarily responsibility of project sponsor while project manager may assist. The project charter typically documents reasons for the project, objectives and constraints of the project, the main stakeholders, risks identified, benefits of the project, general overview of the budget, understand project goals and objectives, identify the project vision and determine the scope of the project, define project organization, list all of the essential roles for the project, including customers, stakeholders, and the day-to-day project team. Create an implementation plan. Outline major milestones, dependencies, and the timeline for the entire team and stakeholders. List potential problem areas. This isn't about being a downer, and more instead about being realistic. Adding potential risks and issues to the project charter helps everyone think ahead and even prevents potential roadblocks. Business documents. There are two common business document use in project management: business case and benefit management plan. Business case. A business case provides justification for undertaking a project, program, or portfolio. It evaluates the benefit, cost, and risk of alternative options and provides a rationale for the preferred solution. A common way of thinking about a business case is using these 5 elements: strategic context, the compelling case for change; economic analysis, return on investment based on investment appraisal of options; commercial approach, derived from the sourcing strategy and procurement strategy; financial case, affordability to the organization in the time frame; management approach, roles, governance structure, life cycle choice, etc. The business case is reviewed and revised at decision gates as more mature estimates and information become available. The approved business case provides a record of the decisions made by governance about how to achieve the required return on investment from the work. It documents the options considered, and it is normal practice to include the do-nothing option as a reference. Through this approach, the business case becomes a record of the recommended option with rationale and evidence to support the decision. Benefit management plan. The benefits management plan will describe how the benefits of the project will be delivered and when they will be delivered. The purpose of undertaking any project is to provide some type of benefit as a result of delivering the products of the project. The types of benefit are variable, and there can be several types of benefit for a project. Here are some examples. Reducing business costs through the automation of a process. Increasing the sales of a business with new or improved products. Meeting the requirements of a legislative or regulatory matter. Benefits can be broadly categorized as tangible and intangible benefits. A tangible benefit is something that can be measured, for example, a reduction in operating costs. An intangible benefit is something that cannot be measured accurately, although the effects of this benefit can be seen, for example, brand awareness. Great job! Keep moving forward. See you in the next videos.